Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. The next problem of SQL is show the percent of patients that have male as their gender. Round the answer to the nearest hundredth number and in the percent form. We have executed select a star from patients to see the structure of the table. Now what we will do, we will solve this problem step by step because we have to concate percentage and a lot of conversion is needed while getting the result. Okay. So first we will count the number of male patient. Sum of gender equals to male here divided by count of all the records. Executing this query. Okay, so we are getting 0 because we are dividing an integer number with the integer number. So it is required to convert either numerator or denominator into float. So I'm converting this denominator into float. So I will use cast function here to convert the count of a star as float. Okay, now we will execute this. See, we are getting a float value now. Okay, since we need to round to the hundredth, so I will round this number to 4, to the 4 decimal point. Round this number to the 4 decimal point. See the result. This is the result. Now we will multiply this number by 100 because we have to convert this into percent form. Okay, and after multiplying into 100 we'll execute and check. Yeah, 54.48. Now we have to concate this function. Okay, with the percent symbol. We are getting an error. Put here one more bracket. Now execute this. Yes, we have solved the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video among your friends and colleagues so that they can also get benefit from this channel.